Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. This superb metal piece embodies the expertise of the watchmaker's art and offers precise and ingenious grinding control, accurate and repeatable grind settings, 43 grinding positions available, easy to adjust from fine for espresso to very coarse for cold brew, very large capacity, 50G, made in France. The number 3 on the list is lid, main body, methacrylic resin, hopper grip, handle cap, polypropylene, mortar, ceramic, chassis, adjustable knob, nylon, shaft, spring, handle, stainless steel, imported, materials, methacrylic resin, ceramic, polypropylene, stainless steel, etc. Country of origin, China. Size, 15x 7.2x 22 cm. Weight, 14.1 ounces, 400 grams. Capacity, approximately 2 cups. Coffee powder, approximately 0.8 ounces, 24 grams. Show more. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Lightweight and portable coffee grinder with manual hand crank eliminates the loud noise that electric grinders produce. Grind your favorite roast quietly in an office cubicle or in your kitchen when your loved ones are fast asleep. Small, compact size makes it easy to storage when not in use, but also allows you to travel with and brew freshly roasted ground coffee beans on your next camping, hiking, backpacking, or outdoors trip. Built-in adjustable grind selector with 5 settings ensures you have precision control over the coarseness of your grinds. Perfect for crafting your favorite coffee for pour-over, drip, Chemex, cold brew, French press, percolator, AeroPress, Turkish, espresso, reusable K-cups and more. The exterior is crafted from stainless steel and plastic, while the interior grinding mechanism consists of ceramic burrs, which are more durable than stainless steel. The bottom portion of the grinder is built to catch the grinds within the canister. Simply twist the bottom of the grinder to detach the cup to expose the grinds. Hand wash only. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Skirton Pro, a favorite amongst coffee newcomers and professionals alike. Its compact size makes it the perfect grinder both travel and home. This grinder can make a full range of grind sizes, whatever your preference. New and improved. An update to the original Skirton, the Skirton Pro features a modern update on the classic design. with sleek lines, and with easier to adjust burr settings for improved grind consistency. Perfect grind. Ceramic conical burrs ensure a precise, uniform grind. Our burrs transfer less heat and shave coffee beans versus cracking them like blade grinders. Ergonomically designed crank handle detaches for compact storage and easy travel. Japanese design. Designed by Hario in Japan to provide coffee lovers with easy access to freshly ground coffee. The Skirton Pro was designed to be portable and easy to use even while traveling or on the go. Product details. 100 grams coffee grounds capacity. W167 x D95 x H195 mm. Heat-proof glass bowl is made in Japan. Mill. Hopper lid. Non-slip cover. Lid are made in China.